All right, this is what sanding to 1000 looks like. I still got a lot of sanding sanding to do, but we're starting to get there. This is 800 here. I'm fixing to bring this up to 1000 and then move up to 1200. It had rained not all night, but most of the night. I woke up at 1 o'clock this morning. Just couldn't sleep anymore. My back hurt so bad. And I've been up ever since. And rained all night, rained all morning, and I come out here and dug through them coals. And sure enough, there was just a pile of coals there. I'm going to burn up the rest of them logs that are right there to the side of it. And we got just a few more scraps to pick up, like these little piles here. But I don't think we're going to get to them because it's really going to rain. Anyway, back to the knife. Bring the other side up to 1000 and go up to 1200. All right, I am sanded up to 2500. I thought I had 3000, but I do not. And fix to go put it on the buffer. Let's go see. I'm not sure you're ready for this kind of shininess. I think this level of shininess should come with a warning. Warning! Shield your eyes. Put your sunglasses on. You are about to see shiny. Truly, that is the shiniest I've ever gotten a knife. I still got a little bit of oil on it that I got to wipe off. This side, still got some oil on it. That kind of oil. But I am going to keep some oil on it, and when I'm done, actually I'm not. I'm going to put some wax on it. That's what I'll do. Put some carnauba wax on it, let it dry, buff it off. I still have to put the handles on, so I don't want to get, I have to acetone it and all that still. And actually, this feels pretty greasy, so I got a long way to go. But I have no scratches that I have to rub out. Jeez. It took about an hour on the buffer. And I put a new wheel on because it's been so long that I forgot what wheel I used what grit of rouge on, or polishing compound. So I put a new wheel on, and on that wheel I'm going to write the letter G for green. Okay. Let me get the wood out and get it traced out on here. Cut it out. I got to split it down the middle, take it up to my table saw and cut it down the middle. That's the next step. One more shot. One more before you go. Oh yeah. Yeah, I've been thinking about this all afternoon, and I even told my wife I was going to do this. I'm going to have to stop the Saturday giveaway. It's starting to cut into my pocket. I do have people that shop my Amazon link, and I'm very grateful. But here's the thing. I have had people win, and they sent me links, their Amazon links, and they weren't even links that went through my link. So I know those people aren't shopping Amazon through my link, so I know they're not contributing to the Amazon pool. And that's a little disheartening, to tell you the truth. I don't want to make anybody feel bad. You shouldn't feel bad. But the way I see it, if you're entering an Amazon giveaway and you're buying things on Amazon, okay, if you don't go through my link, I'll never know. But if you send me a link of something you want after having won the Saturday giveaway, and it's not even my link, I just think that's a little too, I don't know what the word is, a little too unwilling to participate in putting a little bit back into the pool. So I'm going to go back to doing what I did before. When I get a little money built up in the Amazon thing, just buy something nice for somebody. And it was more enjoyable. This has not been unenjoyable. It's been nice. But it's kind of run its course, I think it's time to try something different. It's a little bit aggravating that the people that have won, not all of them, some people that have won have sent me Amazon links that were not my links, and none of it went back into the Amazon pool. So that's just kind of, I don't know, I think the word is selfish. It takes an extra second to, and I put the link in the description of the Saturday Thing video. You can't miss it. If you click that link and pick something you like, 4 or 5% of that goes back into the Amazon pool. And if that's too much trouble, I don't know what to tell you. That's just really insulting. It's insulting to all the other people that do shop through the Amazon link and do put some into that pool. So I don't want to have hard feelings about anybody or anything for any reason. So what I'm going to do is when I reach Saturday Thing giveaway number 104, that will be 2 full years and about $3,700 that I've given away, and y'all have participated in, most of y'all have participated in producing through your Amazon purchase to give away. So, yeah, that will be 2 full years, and I'm going to quit doing it at 2 full years. So Saturday Thing 104 will be the last one. And then from then on, if people do continue to shop through my Amazon link, whenever I get a little money in there, we'll find something nice to buy for somebody. It's just a better way of doing it. And okay, enough about that. Back to knife making. Okay, I've got the Arizona Desert Ironwood handles epoxied on. I got this taped up to protect it really, really good. I'm going to have a lot of cleanup to do after I'll leave it on here till I'm done with the handles. And I'm going to try something different with these handles. I hear and I see on forums and other videos that, excuse me, stabilized wood, if you sand it up to 600 or 800, you can buff it with green rouge, green polishing compound, and it will look almost as shiny as True Oil, but of course it's a much more durable finish that you can repeat as often as you like. And you can even buff the heads of your pins. So I'm going to try that on this. If it doesn't work, I'll put some True Oil on it. But I'm getting close. I mean, not close. I'm halfway there now. Shaping the handle and finding out if I can buff it. And if not, putting True Oil on it. True Oil takes a few days on stabilized wood because on stabilized wood, it doesn't absorb the True Oil as deeply. So you have to put on microscopically thin coats. And after 3 or 4 coats, then it starts looking good. And in the meantime, in between coats, it takes much longer to dry than it does on non-stabilized wood, even hardwoods, very hardwoods. So I have Jeff's Caddo in the house. I'm probably going to put 1 more coat of True Oil on tonight. And tomorrow I may get to make a sheath for it. If not, I'll make it Wednesday. And I may get to take this apart tomorrow, depending on, what we're doing tomorrow. I got epoxy on my hands. And maybe sand it some. We'll see you tomorrow. My wife plays this card game online, and worldwide, she is number one. That's Charlie D. That's her. And that's world. What's that, hon?
Just for that daily game, the daily.
Okay. So this is these are the top 25.
I don't have a name. They have
Isn't that funny? She's the only person. Who knows who B is? But that's funny.